So as you're watching, you get to see it work. Put the other side, put the other one on. We're going to have to take the time and figure out where the hold downs are going. So I'm going to want hold downs up the front. Man. I like it. Looks good. Just going to pull this back, and then Jolene will do a walk around and we'll do a talkie about it again, like we always do. Just kind of explaining things or what we think or whatever. What went well, what didn't go well, what went perfect. I don't even think that affected the ride height of that truck, or made it run even actually. So we got the wheelhouses on, we've got the car loaded on. Basically, Jolene would be ready to go to the races, and we need the lettering done. We need to put the hold downs to strap the car down. It's not completed yet because we have to get them straps to strap that car down. We can't run it just holding on to that. Would never make me satisfied. Something could happen. But basically, the ramps worked. Well done, Princess Auto. Well done. You said it worked, and I said it would work too, and it's on there. But Jolene's car is loaded. We are coming home from the races. This is just, I'm just pretending. She done a great job, and we would come home happy and love each other. But what you see right there is probably a 60-day build, probably a 30 days on the race car, and 30 days on the truck itself. So we probably got a couple months in that. And what a great thing you could do cheaply if you wanted to. If you wanted to build something like that, let's face it, them big trucks like that are not big money if you find something like we found. The race car, like I said before, find an old flathead, doesn't matter if it's a 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder, 4-cylinder, what it is, make something out of it, have a little fun with it, make something like that, and you could have something to be proud of. And I'm going to say something. If you show up at a car show like that, do you think it would matter if the paint was perfect? To me, it would not. I think it would make people come to take a look at it. What's going on here? What is this? You could have a $500,000 car sitting beside it, and I guarantee you they will stop and come over and take a look at it. And the reason being is because they've never seen it before, and it's a lot of fun. You can look at that and say, "Wow, look at that, would you?" They've got a race car on the back of a truck. It goes together. The paint scheme goes together. I'm proud of it. Jolene should be proud of it. I'm happy that you all watched. We're going on to the next project, and I hope inspire you to build something like it. You do not need hundreds of thousands of dollars to make yourself happy. You do not. Guarantee it. We take that to a car show. There will be people all over it, and there will be people asking questions, and you will have a lot of fun. Not that I'm into that, but you'll have a lot of fun. Have a good day, everybody. Like, subscribe, ring my bell, comment, share, and have a great day.